Lezindaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC mbukelisi se-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa.
No evidence pointing to direct causal link between the deaths under the investigation.
Isikhungo esingumxazululi nesiqaphe izimo zokusebenza einhlakeni zezempilo eNingizimu Afrika asikutholanga ubufakazi obuqondile bezenzo zokuhlukumeza noma zokuhlukumezeka noma isimo esingesihle sokusebenza okwaholela ekutheni izisebenzi zezempilo eziyisithupha KwaZulu-Natal zedlule emhlabeni.
There's another category obviously of creditors that are owed, whether it's water boards, Eskom, Auditor General, SARS, pension funds.
Isilomgcini mafa lithi ukugodlwa kwesikhashana kwemali ewu-13.5 billion wamarandi okufanele wabelwe omasipala abangama-69 kuhloswe ngakho ukunqanda ukungakhokhi kwabo izikweletu.
I don't have to explain myself actually to any person because at the end of the day my work speaks for itself.
Owayengumvikeli womphakathi u-Advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane uthi usewatholile amaphepha senkantolo avela emkhandlwini olawula ezabameli njengoba lo mkhandlu ufuna acishwe ohlwini lwabameli.
We've got to elevate women's soccer. We've got to, as part of social cohesion, we've got to have schools soccer going.
Umengameli wamaZulu FC uSandile Zungu usefake igama lakhe embangweni wesikhundla sikamengameli wenhlangano yengameli ibhola likanobhutshuzwayo kuleli ISAFA. Ngikubingelele umbukeli ngikwamukele ezindabeni zehora lesikhombisa. Igama lami nguNoxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali ihlabangane limhlophe qwa. Uza kwethu ostolikela ngolwimi lwempawu uSnovuyo Fihlani. Ake sibheke ukuthi sikuphathele ziphi kusihlwa. Isikhungo esingumxazululi nesiqaphe izimo zokusebenza einhlakeni zezempilo eNingizimu Afrika asibutholanga ubufakazi obuqondile bezenzo zokuhlukumezeka noma isimo esingesihle sokusebenza okwaholela ekutheni izisebenzi zezempilo eziyisithupha KwaZulu-Natal zedlule emhlabeni.
Kuyanda ukukhathazeka ngokushona kwezisebenzi zezempilo ezibhedlela zikahulumeni KwaZulu-Natal nokholele ekutheni izikhungo esiqapha ukusebenza kwezempilo siqalise ngophenyo oluthola ukuthi ukushona kwezisebenzi eziyisithupha ezibhedlela eziyisithupha esifundazweni akuzange kube ngamaphutha noma ukwehluleka kohlelo lomnyango.
No evidence pointing to direct causal link between the deaths under the investigation and workplace bullying, victimization, adverse working conditions at any of the facilities concerned.
Izikhulu zezempilo KwaZulu-Natal zizibophezeleke ngokuthi kuzoqinisekiswa ukuthi izigameko ezenzekile angeke ziphinde zisenzeka.
I want to commit that as a department we have already started an approach and strategy to implement the recommendations of this report as we read the draft reports as they came through.
Uhulumeni uthi ubukeza inqubomgomo ethinta izisebenzi kulandela ukushona kodokotela ezibhedlela.
I have appointed a team of 16 experts to find out what is the effect of these policies to some of these occurrences.
Manje ke sekubheke ukuthi ngabe iziphathimandla zizokwenza izincomo zokuthuthukisa ukweseka kwezimo zokusebenza kanye nenhlalakahle ezisebenzi zezempilo.
Umgcini mafa kazwelonke uthi ukugodlwa kwesikhashana kwesamba semali esingu-13.5 billion wamarandi okufanele sabelwe omasipala abangama-69 kuhloswe ngakho ukunqanda ukungakhokhelwa kwezikweletu kanye nokusashazwa kwemali. Uthi ukudedelwa kwale mali kuzoncika-ke ekutheni omasipala bashesha kangakanani ukwenza izivumelwano zokukhokha izikweletu zabo.
Umgcini mafa kazwelonke uthi isinqumo sokugodla imali yomasipala okwesikhashana kuhloswe ngaso ukuqinisa ukusetshenziswa kwemali ngendlela efanele kanye nokuqinisekisa ukuthi omasipala bayahambisana nemigomo yokuphathwa kwemali.
Category obviously of creditors that are owed, whether it's water boards, Eskom, OTA General, SARS, pension funds. So essentially in that regard, what we are requesting from those municipalities is for them to give us the payment plan that has been signed by both themselves and together with those creditors. We are not expecting that service delivery will be interrupted, as I indicated earlier.
Njalo umnyango uthi imkhandlu inesibopho sokuthathela izinyathelo izikhulu ezingawulandeli umthetho wokuphathwa kwemali yabakhokhintela.
Supposed to happen. For instance, when you talk to unauthorized, irregular, fruitless and wasteful expenditure, that stems from non-compliance with the MFMA. So what's supposed to happen is those matters are supposed to be referred to a body called a disciplinary board, where they will investigate whether someone was intentional or they were negligent in the breach of the law. And then what is supposed to happen based on the recommendations and the findings, consequence management is supposed to be implemented by the municipal council based on the recommendations of the disciplinary board.
Ugcizelele ngokuthi ukugodlwa kwemali akusona isijeziso kepha kuhloswe ngakho ukuqinisa ukuphathwa kwemali yomasipala ngendlela efanele.
Lo imeya yaseGoli uDada Morero ubize isithangami esiphuthumayo nabezindaba kulandela isinqumo sehhovisi likaMgcini Mafa. uMorero uyavuma ukuthi asisihle kahle isimo emalini yomkhandlu wathi kusamele kufinqwe imikhono kulokhu.
Our working relations with National Treasury is yielding the results. As we speak, we have received correspondence from National Treasury that confirmed that their city's 2026-2027 budget or annual budget is fully funded.
uMorero uthi kukhona izikhungo ezithile nababazikweletayo kumele zikhokhe ukuze umkhandlu uzokwazi ukukhokha izikweletu zawo.
About 1.2 billion. They've paid us 200 million in June, and we are in discussions. We're constantly dealing with the queries that they raise.
Izakhamuzi ezikhathazekile ziphawulile ngalesi sinqumo sikaMgcini Mafa.
I think it's going to have a major big impact, not so much though, but a little shift. I think already we're seeing with pressure yamanzi, we're not getting enough water. I mean, there's some people who have been not getting water for about 3 years. So imagine now that there's no grants to pay rent water. Sizoyenza njani?
Phakathi kwemikhandlu kanye nomasipala babalulwe yihhovisi likaMgcini Mafa kufaka phakathi umkhandlu iBuffalo City, iNelson Mandela Bay kanye neMangaung.
Owayengumvikeli omphakathi uAdvocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane usaqinisekisile ukuthi usewatholile amaphepha senkantolo avela emkhandlwini olawula ezabameli eNingizimu Afrika iLegal Practice Council njengoba lo mkhandlu ufuna ukuthi asuswe ohlwini lwabameli. uAdvocate Mkhwebane uthi ithimba lakhe lezomthetho selifake isaziso sokuthi lizosiphikisa lesi sicelo.
I don't have to explain myself actually to any person because at the end of the day, my work speaks for itself. I have integrity. I have, I'm competent. This process started a long time ago. They claimed that they served me papers in 2024. I never received the papers. They initiated that process. And it was not only them alone. I remember while still the public protector, one Advocate Hoffman also lodged a complaint against me, which never, reached any success. And after that, they then followed up on me to register with LPC. And my question was, why register when I'm not a practicing advocate? And finally, even now, that's one of their reasons that, I was not honest. I don't have clients. Apparently, I was not honest to clients, one of the 18 reasons. And I don't agree with that. I'm not a practicing advocate. I don't serve in any bar.
Ikomiti lasephalamende lomnyango wezasekhaya liphothule isigaba salo somsebenzi emngceleni iBait Bridge eLimpopo lapho kucutshungulwa khona ngemininingwane yabo kufika abasesikhungweni sesikhashana eMusina njengoba bebuyiselwa emazweni lapho bedabuka khona.
Usihlalo wekomiti elibhekele umnyango wezasekhaya ePhalamende usencome umsebenzi oswenziwe ukuqinisekisa ukucutshungulwa kwemininingwane yabantu bokufika ababuyisela amazweni abo nakuba bebengenalo uxhaso olwanele kwezemali.
To appreciate the account of work since Border Management Authority has been established with the limited resources that have been allocated. Members of the committee have been interacting with the BMA in various forums, and Parliament has made its concern about the lack of funding. And members of the committee resolved to visit this area to interface with the all law enforcement agency, police, SNDF, and Border Management Authority, and also get to interact with the members of SARS.
Ithi ezinye zezinto eziphakanyiswa ukuthi iziphathimandla zezomthetho zisebenzisane ukuqapha ukungena nokuphuma kwabantu emingceleni yezwe.
To appreciate the movement of the redevelopment of the ports of entry, which also include the Beit Bridge, and also that will enhance the cooperation with the other jurisdiction. Some of the concerns that we have identified is the collaborations with the other law enforcement agents. I think is observed here. The SNDF and the police on the other side of Zimbabwe are assisting their citizens to cross on the river. And that is one of the concerning areas that we'll raise with the security cluster.
Ndixhumane nethimba longqongqoshe abajutshelwe ukubhekana nodaba lobukufika abakuleli ngaphandle kwezimvume mayelana nekusasa lesikhungo esigcina abokufika esisemusina.
Mbukeli sithatha iqu 8 tolo kodwa nje sibuya emva komzuzwana ungalinge unyakaze. Sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena. Khumbula ke mbukeli ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ungena kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba. Isithangamisi sekhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje sigunyaze ukuqhubeka kobufakazi buka Witness M esithe ngenxa yobucayi bobufakazi bakhe uzofakaza esithe.
Yes, we've read the application and we are satisfied that it should be granted. But I propose that rather than go through all the paragraphs of the order, I should just grant an order that says the application is granted. I'm doing that because we usually have, in fact, it may be only from the last one, others have followed the format of your order. So there's nothing wrong with the format of your order, nothing at all. But I want to grant an order that will even list at the end the people who are allowed to be at the fully in-camera hearing.
Sisekulolo ludaba sesikhalelwe ngamasongo kaSigonyela isikhulu sophiko olubhekele izinsiza zezomthetho emkhandlweni wasekuruleni uKhemi Behari osake wethula ubufakazi phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga. Abameli bakasomabhizinisi wase-North West uBrown Mukhotsi basikaza ukwedlulisela phambili inqumo zenkantolo yemantshi yaseGoli eyichitha isicelo sokudedelwa kwakhe ngebheyili.
Mukhotsi bevele kafushane enkantolo yemantshi yaseGoli. Umbuso uveze ukuthi unobufakazi obusha bevideo efakazela ukuthi uMukhotsi wasenga ezimithiyo ngokuthi kukhona bebezama ukumsoconga eFosloras ngonyaka owedlule. Abameli bakaMukhotsi bathi ukuhlehla kwecala kuzobanika ithuba lokucubungula imininingwane emisha.
I can confirm that a CD was handed over to us and we can't wait to actually see what is contained on that particular CD containing the alleged video footage.
Ummeli kaMukhotsi uqhamise ubunzima bokubonisana noMukhotsi ngenxa yembandela eqinile yasejele.
Not only footage, but they do not allow you to go in with any digital instruments like your phones, your laptops, your tablets. You leave them behind. So we're going to find it very difficult, not only in relation to the footage, but also with the other evidence which is contained with the first CD which was given to us containing the contents of the docket.
Abameli bakaMukhotsi baveza ukuthi kungenzeka basidlulisele enkantolo ephakeme isinqumo sokuchithwa kwebheyili.
We do not agree with the decision of the magistrate, which is the reason why we want to take this particular decision to the High Court so that the decision can be actually reviewed by the High Court in relation to the refusal of this particular appeal. bail application. It's not only the second bail application, we are appealing both bail applications. Yeah, just to be clear.
Icala lihlehliselwe umhla zintathu kuNcwaba.
Iyaqonga ingcindezi ebhekene nomvikelo omphakathi maqondana nokuthi ahlinzeke ngombiko ophathelene nesimo sodaba likangqongqoshe wamaphoyisa osanikezwe umhlaba khefu uSenzo Mchunu.
Zose ATM safakwa nje kancinci emva kokuba umkhwanazi wakhe lomchunu ngokufaka impumlo lokuphandula amapolisa kwanokuvumela ifuthi lezopolitiki ukujongeleni phansi amaziko onyanzeliso omthetho. Ezo zityholo zanyanzelisa uphando kwiinkalo ezahlukeneyo kuquka ikomishoni kaMadlanga kunye nophando lwekomiti ethutyana eParlamente. Umkhuseli woluntu uthe izinkqubo zophando ziye zalicothisa uphando lwakhe ngenxa yokuba amanqina amaninzi bewadinga ekufanele ukuba avele phambi kwekomiti kunye nekomishoni. Nangona kunjalo le ofisi ithi ngoku zimbalwa izigaba eziseleyo zophando ngaphambi kokuba iqukumbele ingxelo yayo.
Was then affected by the involvement of the very same people that we needed to interview and obtain information and evidence from, who have been involved in the Madlanga Commission, who have been involved in the ad hoc committee as well, before we could fully engage with them and get the information that we require.
Nakubeni nje kukho esisiqinisekiso ATM ithi le ofisi sele icothe kakhulu njengabakhalazi lombutho uxoxa ngelithi umkhuseli woluntu ngoku makayiqukumbele ingxelo ngaphandle kokuphosisa amaseko.
For the public protector to delay this long for us at the African Transformation Movement, it is truly disappointing. The public protector must do the right thing.
Uxinzelelo ngoku aluphumi ku-ATM kuphela koko nakwikomiti yeParlamente ejongene nobulungisa. Usihlalo wayo uXola Nqola uthi ubhalele umkhuseli woluntu kwangoko emva kokufumana kwakhe isikhalazo se-ATM ngokucotha kwale ngxelo ecela ingcaciso kumkhuseli woluntu. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingumkhokeli bandla ndiseParlamente.
Umbuso ube nokuphikisana ngesigwebo sikaDelikajele okulindeleke ukuthi sigixabezwe uMzwandile Mahambehlala owabulala abantu abayisishiyagalombili kwaZakhele eEastern Cape.
Oludubulo olusube imiphefumulo yabantu abasibhozo lushiye uluntu lothukile. Ngethuba kuqhuba inkqubo ezikhokhelela ekuwisweni kwesigwebo, umbuso ufunde ingxelo ezibhalwe zintsapho zamaxhoba ezibalisa ngentlungu abasekuyo kulandela ukubulawa kwezalamane zabo. Umama womnye kulamaxhoba owayenguNandipha Koliti uthi ubomi babo abuzange buphinde bufane.
Hayi mntasekhaya wasibulala, usibulele usigqibele, yaba buhlungu inhliziyo yethu. Nangoku elinxeba lisampompoza enhliziyweni yethu.
Intsapho zibongoza inkundla ukuba iwise isigwebo esithathela ingqalelo inhlungu nelahleko yabo.
Thina siyifemeli ayingekho imbuyisa uNandipha nokuba ungahlali liphini ixesha, kodwa ubulungisa inceba ijustice mayisebenze.
Umbuso uxelele inkundla ukuba oluhlaselo lwalucwangcisiwe kwangaphambili, esithi uMahambehlala akabonakalisi kuzisola kwaye usaqhubeka esakhanyela indima yakhe kwesisiganeko. Amagqwetha kaMahambehlala acela inkundla ukuba ithathele ingqalelo ukuba akanazigwebo zangaphambili kwaye unabantwana abasixhenxe.
The accused was found guilty on 2 photo parades and a confession. So one must respect the judge's ruling on that.
Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingusisipho Ncumbe ndiseGqeberha.
Iqembu lezombusazwe iLand Party lethule usaziwayo uNontsikelelo Mazwai njengezogadla ngaye okhethweni lohulumeni beendawo.
Amaqembu ehlukene ezombusazwe ayaqhubeka nokumemezela labazofolosa ngabo kwesobme egoli. Nontsikelelo Mazwai weLand Party ezobigabe ngaye egoli uthi umkhankaso wakhe uzogxila eqinisekiseni ukuthi kunenhlanzeko kuleli dolobha kanye nokubuyisa uzinzo lomkhandlu.
Today I raise my hand not only to be counted but to offer my hand to every resident who loves Johannesburg. I come before you as your daughter, your sister and your comrade. I'm asking you to take my hand so that together we turn the rebuilding of our city into a collective mission.
Mazwayi uthi okubaluleke kakhulu ukuhlinzeka umphakathi ngezidingo.
I want a Johannesburg with a transparent service delivery tracker so that every resident can see exactly what is being done and when it will be completed. I want Alexandra redeveloped, block by block, dignified housing, proper services, and restored pride to one of the oldest communities in Gauteng.
Ukhetho lohulumeni bendawo luyasondela njengoba lizobanjwa mhla zizine kuLwezi ngasekupheleni konyaka.
Umengameli wamaZulu FC uSandile Zungu sefake igama lakhe embangweni wesikhundla sikaMengameli wenhlangano engameli ibhola likanobhutshuzwayo kuleli iSAFA. Lesi sikhundla senganyelwe uDanny Jordan kanti ke ukhetho lweSAFA kulindeleke ukuthi lubanjwe ngoMandulo.
The quality of sponsorship that we are getting, I will argue, in terms of quantity, probably quality as well. I don't know the details, but it amounts to a sympathy. Sponsorship. We deserve much more than that, but we've got to get our house in order. And there's a couple of other things which are about social cohesion, which are about the elevation of the status of women in our country. We've got to elevate women's soccer. We've got to, as part of social cohesion, we've got to have schools soccer going. It's practically dead right now. So we've got to get on with it and bring back schools soccer.
Mbukeli-ke uma sesibuya ey'tolo sobe sesikuphathela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu noThini Ntshiza.
Nginibingile babukeli emakhaya niphinde nginamukele kwesimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihlwa ake sibheke simi kanjani zoqaphela kanje mbukeli lo hamsengo ngobandayo letha wona ke nje amakhaza esifundazweni eEastern Cape kuye njalo nje esifundazweni iWestern Cape saphinde siwaqaphela nje lamathuba emvula lindelekile ke nje khona ke esifundazweni iWestern Cape kuya njalo nje eKapa lodumo kanti kusasa siwaqaphela nje amathuba emvula lindelekile nje khona kwele kaMthaniya kuya njalo nje esifundazweni iEastern Cape nakhona ke nje esifundazweni iWestern Cape kanti ke amazenga okushisa kusasa ame kanje kakhulukazi ababhekise khona ke nje egoli Soweto kandonga ziyadubala kuza ngempela uthi ngibonga ke namhlanje ebusuku ngawo nje u3 kanti lithani kuthi nje lipholeke emini ngo20 kuye njalo nje ePitora singawulindela nje u22 kanti mobhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iLimbombo amazenga okushisa amika nje ngasho nje ukuthi liyashisa ke Giyani ngawo nje u26 kuye njalo nje eMusina singawulindela nje u26 mobhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni eMpumalanga amazenga okushisa amika nje lipholile ke eMbombela ngawo nje u22 kepha ke liyabanda ebusuku ngo6 kuye njalo nje eMelo liyabanda ngawo nje u22 kusasa mobhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni KwaZulu Natal eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi singawulindela nje u23 kuye njalo nje ulundelisana ukuthi nje lipholeke ngo22 nakhona ke nje ePortshepstone oShabeni singawulindela nje u21 mobhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni Eastern Cape amazenga okushisa amika nje mobhekise khona ke nje eMthatha liyabanda ngo19 bandejalana nakhona ke nje eGqeberha singawulindela nje u17 kepha ke nje ebusuku lime nje ku12 mobhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni Western Cape amazenga okushisa amika nje qhalisa amazenga ke izulu ebusuku ke khona ke nje eKapa lodumo singawulindela nje uThelibande njalo ke emini ngo16 banjalo nakhona ke nje eGeorge lisami nje ku15 mobhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iNorthern Cape amazenga okushisa amika nje eKimberley lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke ngo21 kanti eMobhekise khona ke nje eKhavini lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke nje ngawo nje u21 kapheka eUppington liyashisa ngo25 Mobhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni Free State amazenga okushisa amika nje eBethlehem lime nje ku19 kanti ke Bloemfontein singawulindela nje u20 Mobhekise khona ke nje esifundazweni iNorthwest amazenga okushisa amika nje Rustenburg lithanda ukuthi nje lipholeke ngo22 pholeke njalo ke nakhona ke nje eMahikeng singawulindela nje u21 ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kusihla mina ke ngintombi Madlamini olangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli usale kahle.